Nakikilig to
trailer,
see you guys.
you delivered.
Thank you so much.
My gosh, eto na.
Ito na. Tama po.
So, tanong ko nga kanina, sabi ko parang pa-serious actress. Yun yung ano mo, yun yung, I think parang yun ang pinaka-destination mo talaga. Would you say?
Sana naman po because,
Gusto mo rin.
of course. Like I said sa unang press ko dito sa Viva, I wanna try everything. And I'm learning so much along the way, and it makes me want to develop my craft even more, even as an actor, as an artista, or even as a singer. It just makes me more inspired and motivated to do more and to do better.
Paano ka nag-prepare dito, Atasha?
Ay!
Na-anxiety ka ba? Parang,
of course.
Parang ang bigat eh. Parang,
Of course, syempre naman sa lahat ng projects and all the opportunities and blessing, I'm always nervous. But I'm also at the same time inspired because I want to give it my all. There's no better way than to start. Because you won't know where you are until you start. And when you start from there, you can start to see what things you need to improve on, and it just never ends. And I hope to be working more and more.
Happy ka dun sa kung ano ka ngayon? Diba, of course, eto na, pumasok na talaga kayo sa showbiz. This is what you expected or more than what you expected or what?
Wala naman expectations in terms of kahit anong projects or whatever I put myself into. There's no expectations in terms of results. That I can assure. But there are expectations in terms of myself where I expect to make that my priority and to make sure that I give the work that I need to put in and not take it for granted. Yan po ang #1 priority.
Tapos na ba kayo mag-taping nito or
Hindi
ongoing
pa. Ongoing pa rin. Ongoing. Pero malapit na.
anong reaction ng mommy at daddy mo nung makita yung teaser pa lang?
Sa
Yung mata-mata, yung sinasabi nila, mata-mata.
Sa teaser pa lang, syempre naman, they're very, very proud and very, very supportive. Hindi lang yung parents ko lang, but my whole family that even includes...
Si Lola, I'm
Si
sure.
Lola ko, of course. Yung Lola ko po, si Andres, at ang tito sa titas ko, they're very, very supportive. And I'm so appreciative because of them, that's the reason why I'm able to do these things and achieve whatever it may be that I want to try in life, is because they give me that confidence and that support to feel like, kaya mo yan, go lang, basta try.
Although we know na talaga namang todo yung support nila. Pero meron ka pa rin bang kaba na naku, finally mapapanood na nila? Ano baka may ganon?
Of course,
Especially with your parents.
of course, there's always kaba, especially my parents, because they're my idols at the end of the day. I super, super respect them, I admire them, and I hope to be just like them in terms of how they are as actors, as artistas, or even as people and as parents.
Sino mas critics sa dalawa? Siya or si Papa?
Sino? Feeling ko siguro po yung tatay ko po.
Oo, tingin ko rin.
Tatay ko po. Pero he will always be my best critic. My dad. I super trust my dad, and he always means well. And it's always constructive criticism. Nothing personal, but this is siguro tips and tricks that I really need in order to improve.
Ako, ano ko talaga, saan mo kinukuha yung angas? Kasi nga, ang bait-bait mo. Saan mo, paano mo nagawa yung angas?
Dahil sa preparation lang po. So I really put in all my time and all my efforts into this project. Kasi I really didn't want to take it for granted. Siyempre naman, ganda naman yung role. At this is such a big blessing for me. And I wouldn't turn it down for the
May pineg ka ba or pure Atasha yun?
My peg naman, my goal was to just try doing something different and super, super malayo sa personality ko. Of course, it was a challenge, but like I said, everything good in life doesn't come easy. You always have to challenge yourself and go through it and learn.
Alam mo, Tasha, syempre, hindi natin maaalis. Ang tingin sa'yo, prinsesa ka rin. Quote and unquote. May gano'n, di ba? Princess or something. Pero pag gumagawa ka ng role, parang you change. Bago ka. So, talagang gusto mo yun.
Opo. Of course, I will always take on a challenge. Of course, especially with a blessing just like this. Kagaya sa project ito and future projects that may come around, I will always take a challenge with open arms and never take it for granted.
Will you do some out of the box? Gusto mo yung gano'n?
Ano pong out of the box?
Alam ko na, hindi naman pwede yung mga sexy or mga ano. Ako na nagsabi. Pero yung mga roles na talagang medyo iba.
Of course, I would like to take on.
Inumpisahan mo na nga dito.
Of course, nag-umpisa po dito sa Bad Genius. Sobrang malayo yung character ni Lynn sa character ni Atasha.
Sabi mo nga, hindi ka nag-cheat at all.
Hindi po. At yung makulit yung lagi ko kulit sa set. So parang when we're playing around sa break, pero when it's time to work, it's time to work. And I'm enjoying that shift, that feeling of it.
Natasha, maraming nagtatanong. Lagi, kahit sa akin may mga nagtatanong, bakit daw, babalik ka pa raw ba sa Itbulaga? Anong status?
Of course, I would love to. It's just only if my schedule permits now. Kasi sabi ko, I wanted to give 100% to this project. And dahil late, I can't take that for granted din also. But my love for the Dabber Cats will forever and always be there. And I love them so much. Alam nila yan. I love you guys. Thank you guys for everything.
So, buti hindi ka nila kinukulit na kailan na, hindi ka pa babalik?
Ay, hindi pa po kasi what they know is that may taping naman ako. And hindi po naman kami tapos sa taping.
At least, ayan,
Yes.
maraming matutuwa.
May assurance na babalik ka.
Kailangan po, we need to finish this show muna first, tapos tapusin natin yung promo. Pero of course, I'd love to. Of course. Ako po, of course. I miss all of them. I miss my Dabber Cats, yung legit Dabber Cats at yung mga Dabber Cats sa Team Local and Team Worldwide. Miss you guys.
Last na lang. May love angle ba kayo ni Jairus? Paano ba?
Ay, wala naman po.
Hindi
Pero,
talaga siya.
tignan na lang natin sa Badging sa series only on Viva 1.
Promote ka na.
Yan.
Yeah.
So guys, I am inviting you to watch Bad Genius, a series only on Viva 1. See you guys there.
July.
So
July
July 17. Thank you guys.
Tasha,